Hey guys, Chris from Flow Designs. Today, I'm going to show you how to adjust the height of your JDM number plate using our JDM bracket. Let's go. So what's the problem? So a lot of JDM cars, when you put on JDM plates or any number plate, you see how the plate doesn't line up with the actual bumper. That's quite annoying, at least for me. So we're going to change that and fix that with our number plate bracket, and I'll show you how it works. So we've got our metal aluminium bracket here. So how it works is you've got two factory mounting points on the car. They line up with a bracket. There's vertical slots, so you can go up and down. From there, plate goes on, and then from there, you're pretty much done. Let's go. First step, take off your existing number plate. Cool. Now, you're going to just install the plate using the hardware provided. Optional, spaces at the back to space the bracket off the paintwork. So now the plates do sit a little bit higher, but you can go as high as you need. For us, we're gonna go completely flush with the top of this line. Now that the bracket's on and the height is adjusted to where we want it, now this just need to put the plates on using the bolts provided. Done.